Hi, looking to shred some belly fat? Try this refreshing and nutritious green juice packed with fat-burning ingredients like kiwi, green apples, kale, kales, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and pears. It is perfect blend for boosting your metabolism, detoxing, and supporting weight loss. Watch me juice up these healthy ingredients into a delicious drink that helps melt belly fat and gives you energy throughout the day. Perfect for those on a weight loss journey. So I keep the ingredients simple, which is cucumber, pears, ginger, kales, green apples, and some lemons and some kiwis. So I chop it into the sizes that will fit into my blender and I start juicing. At this point, I'm just shredding the ginger because the juicer usually picks the ginger and blend it with difficulty. So I make it possible and easy for the juicer to pick up the ginger and juice properly. So the only ingredients that I will be prepping at this point will be the pears and the green apples and the lemon, because the other ones will fit perfectly. As for the cucumber, I'm just going to be juicing as whole as it is, like that. So I will chop just the pears, the green apples, and then clean up the lemon and then start juicing. For the kiwis, I've already washed all the ingredients with salt and a little bit of vinegar, and everything is clean and perfectly free from bacteria. If you're wondering about that, everything has been washed perfectly in salt water, so everything is very clean, and I'm just chopping that. I did that outside of the camera, and now I'm just chopping the ingredients to fit into my blender. So at this point, I just start juicing, and I began with the cucumber because it's a lot easier to juice the cucumber, and you can see the quantity of water that the 4 cucumber produced. It gave me 1 cup of this juice that you're seeing on your screen. I mean, cucumbers are very healthy because of the low glycemic index, and also the water content that is found in it. And if you've noticed, every weight loss expert, they always talk about the cucumber because it is very, very good for weight loss. Why? Because it has a lot of water And weight loss go hand in hand with hydration. So if you add a lot of cucumber on your diet, on a weight loss journey, you are just helping yourself to hydrate the proper way and eating lower calorie but getting fuller easier, which makes it easy for you to actually meet your goals of weight loss. Because if you take more of this cucumber, it makes you feel full and actually take out the unnecessary waste out of the body, because you will end up urinating more often, and so you're eliminating all the unnecessary waste that has been accumulated in the body. So pairing cucumber and kiwi and kales and plus the lemon and ginger is a game changer as to melting belly fat. So that is why I decided to do this combination. This combination is just my preference. You can decide to add 1, 2, 3 or 4 of these ingredients. You must not put all the ingredients I have put here, but I have made my own research and I know that the combination of these fruits, I know what it takes with these fruits, and so that is why I did my own combination like this, and it has been helping me in my weight loss journey a lot. Because when I take a cup of these in an empty stomach, or like 3 of these containers throughout the morning session, I replace that with breakfast. So this is actually my own breakfast in the morning. Juicing is quite easier, and I feel that it is good. If you're on a weight loss journey, try to add this fresh juicing into your diet, because it makes it easier for you to get the right nutrients and the right amount of hydration easier. Because if you have to eat the pears, the kiwi, the green apples on itself without juicing, it would take a lot for you to actually eat that quantity. But juicing it like this and combining the fruits, it makes it easier to actually get the right nutrients and hydrate properly. So if you want to get that summer body and you want to fit into your very good sizes of the summer dresses and stuff like that, just jump into this challenge and you will thank me later. Please, if you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of good and wonderful content like this that you would like if you're someone who is on a weight loss journey or hoping to lose or shred some pounds, or actually just want to maintain your weight. Because I've noticed losing weight is not just a problem. Many people lose weight and then gain it back. So how can we stay consistent and maintain our weight if you have already lost the amount you want and you just want to maintain your weight? This recipe is perfectly for you and other recipes on this channel. So consider going through this channel to watch the other videos that I have posted out on this channel. It is very helpful and it will be of great help to you or someone you know that is struggling with weight loss or struggling to maintain their weight. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, share your thoughts and what are your preferences as concerning juicing and fresh juice. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and till we meet again, bye bye.